question, but what happens if you're out working and your work deals with, like you get dirty and stuff like that, and it's getting close to prayer, like Miha? Is it proper to pray during that? Like, even if because I don't know if it's proper to pray while you're dirty or something like that. Like, is it proper or no?
Okay, so the question is, so I'm going to explain what I experienced. So we had this guy, right, who prayed with us in the place where I work, and he was like some, I don't know, delivery guy. He's a driver, Jewish guy. So he would come with a jack. He would keep in his car, in his truck, and he would change, like whatever, just to look more appropriate. Of course, the hands was dirty and stuff like that, but even though I think he will use gloves, but I'm not sure whatever he was doing. So the answer is, in general, if it does not smell, if it's that dirty, like, I don't know, you are moving boxes and your clothes in dust, for example, right? So there is no problem whatsoever. So and if you're afraid that you're going to miss mincha and that there is no way for you to change, there is no way. So it's proper to pray like this. Like if it's not, like, if you're not doing it like something disgusting, I don't know, something that smells bad, I don't know, like I don't know, like gasoline or something, I don't know, some with a foul odor, there is no problem whatsoever. So pray like that.